Hey guys, we are going to do another bonus video, and this one is called Flying Bird Dogs, which is similar to Bird Dogs, which we did a couple days ago. And this is, again, is going to work your back and also work on your stability, your core, and that kind of thing. So, alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get in the same hands and knees, just like we did the other day. And last time we did Bird Dogs, we lifted up one leg and then the opposite arm like this. But this time, your arm is going to go out like you're flying while you're pulsing your leg up. And you might, I have trouble a little bit with my balance on this, so it's really a good one for me to be doing for stability. So, are you ready? Let's do this. All right, here we go. I'm doing right leg, left arm first. So, we're going to do 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so now let's switch to the other side. Right leg, left leg, right arm. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. How you feeling? All right. Good. Okay. All right, here we go. Right leg, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right arm. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Woohoo! Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.